Hi, Katie.
And Shyla here.
From Simply Earth, and we love making our home more natural using essential oils. And this recipe comes from our August essential oil recipe box. We're making a facial toner to add to our natural skincare routine, and this is step 4. So make sure you check out our other blogs and videos about this routine because your skin is gonna love it. All you need for this recipe is Lavender Hydrosol,
which is included in this month's box.
Yep. And distilled water. You can use regular water, but distilled water helps your recipe last longer. You'll also want to use some cotton swabs or cotton, what are those? Cotton balls. Cotton balls work too.
Perfect.
So we've already made our face mask recipe, so we just have 2 tablespoons of hydrosol left in here. And we're gonna make the recipe right in this bottle to reduce, reuse, and recycle.
So I'm gonna add the water to the bottle. Well, Katie, this is not working.
Funnels, use a funnel. Funnels are good.
Yeah.
But you know, it worked. We have a hydrosol toner.
So now that we have the face toner made, let's use it.
Yep, just apply a little bit to cotton and put it on your face. It's cooling, refreshing. It's a great toner which helps balance the pH in your face. You can also add apple cider vinegar to this, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. That has a really strong smell, so we didn't add it. But if you're prone to acne, I definitely recommend adding apple cider vinegar to this. But by itself, it's a good toner as well. So if you're interested in using this Hydrosol Facial Toner, your skin will thank you. And it's also available in our Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box.
Plus, when you subscribe today, you'll get a big bonus box.
Woo,
which is gonna have all the contents that you'll need for the next 6 months worth of recipes.
So go ahead and subscribe to make your home more natural.